When your cat's purr suddenly sounds like snoring, it's time to meet Little Tiger and Little Moon. One night, Little Moon heard Little Tiger making a whirring sound in his sleep. At first, she found it cute, but the sound continued after he woke up. This worried Little Moon, so she took him to the vet. They discovered Little Tiger had a mild upper airway obstruction, likely due to nasal inflammation. Early diagnosis meant prompt treatment. Loud cat breathing could mean congestion, infection, or structural issues in flat-faced cats. What symptoms should you watch for? Mouth breathing, wheezing, or labored breathing are vet visit signs. Keep their space clean and monitor breathing. After treatment, Little Tiger's breathing returned to its quiet, steady state. Remember, a cat's wheezing might be a cry for help.